Create a folder called StyleSheet, ST or CSS. You can create the folder there, CSS. CSS folder is ready. Go inside, create a folder called inline CSS. Inline hyphen CSS. Inline CSS. Inline CSS. After that, one more folder. Internal CSS. One more folder. External CSS. One more folder. Import CSS. Try this all folder. Create the all folders. Import CSS. Files, import CSS. Inline, internal, external, and import. Total four folders. Then you will create one file, text file, CSS developer guide. CSS developer guide. Okay, so folder is ready as well as file is also ready. Now open this CSS developer guide file. Open the CSS developer guide file. After that, write inside call HTML is HTML has collections of predefined tags. HTML has the collections of predefined tags. HTML has collections of predefined tags. It used to create basic web page. It used to create the basic web page. HTML tags has limitation on property and values. Whichever the tags we are using, in that tags we have limited property and value. Whichever the tags we are using, in that tags we have limited property and values. Now, due to this limitation, limited property and value, due to this limitation, responsive web page is not possible. Or we can write, due to this limitation, we can't create responsive page. We cannot create responsive page. Okay. And then what CSS is going to say? CSS says like full form is cascading style set. Full form of CSS is cascading style set. What you are going to see in that? It has collections of only property and values. It has collections of property and values. It has collections of property and values. HTML what says? HTML says like it has a collections of predefined tags with limited property value. Okay, with limited property value. CSS says like it has collections of only property value. It has collections of only property and value. What we will do of this property value? It used to change look and feel of web page. It used to change the look and feel of web page. Now, how CSS is going to help us to change the look and feel of the web page? You can write like this. Responsive web page equal to from HTML, we will use the tags plus from CSS, we will use the property and values. Property and values from the CSS and only tags from the HTML. Only the tags from the HTML and complete property value from the CSS. Ready? Now come down. Right below, how many type of CSS we have? Type of CSS. Type of CSS. So we have one call inline CSS, second call internal CSS, third call external CSS, fourth call import CSS. So total 4 type. Of CSS you have. Next, after this, right here, syntax for inline CSS. The first one, inline CSS example. Okay. You will write here, not example first, one as a syntax first. Tag name, it can be any tag. Then after that, style tag, you will apply. Style property will apply. Next, after that, inside will write call property colon value semicolon. Second property colon value. This is just a simple syntax. Okay. Written, come down below. Write an example. Example. Suppose p tag open close. P tag open and close. For Java, it's very important for you tomorrow morning. You will get a call. Okay, thank you. Everyone, hello. Hello. Yeah, hello. Okay. Mm-hmm. 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 Tell me, tell me your education. Education. Okay. You wait for some time. We'll call you. Okay. In 1 hour, we'll call you. Okay. So written p tag. Inside the p tag now, you write here. Welcome to CSS. Welcome to CSS. Now in that, you will write call a style tag, open and close. A style tag open close. Inside the style tag, you write a property called color colon red, font hyphen size 40px. So what it represent? It represent like welcome to CSS you have written. For that, color will be in the red color and the welcome to CSS will come in 40 pixel font size. Font size will be how much? 40 pixel. Font size will be 40 pixel. Okay. Come next. So in this, color become the property, red become the value. Font size become the property, 40px become the value. So property and value. Okay, both we have property value combination. Now we will write an example where exact same thing will add, and we'll see really property is getting applied or not. Really the value is going to apply or not. So this all example, next onwards, whichever the example we are going to create, page 1.html, you will create under the inline CSS folder. Under which folder? Under inline CSS folder, create a file called page1.html. Page1.html. So page1.html file, hope you created under the inline CSS folder. Come to this file, HTML start, HTML end. Body open, body close. Paragraph tag, what you have written here, same line you copy and paste here. Write in H1 also, CSS, first example. CSS first example. Okay, ready? Please save the file, run it. It's look like this. Welcome to CSS. It's coming in red color. Check once. Running. Okay. Now change the font size to 60. See the font size is getting increased or not? Increasing. Font size is increased. Color is already red. So this is called CSS property value. Color become the property, red become the value. Font size become the property, 60 pixel become the value. Okay. Right. Let's go next. Are you not working? Folder? Yes. Where you went? Create a file, page1.html, run it. Yes. Anywhere you create a file, run it. Folder you can create tomorrow. Okay, create the next file. Page2.html. Page2.html to understand some more property value. Page2.html. Come now, HTML. Follow the, create this example, page 2 file. Keep on desktop is also okay. Folder you can create tomorrow also, no problem. Follow the body. Inside the body, a style equal to BG color, green, fully green. So background will come complete green color. Come next. Run this file. Background should come in green color here. Oh, something wrong? Oh, sorry. Should be BG color here. BG color is the HTML property. Background is the CSS property. BG color, if you write, it gone in HTML. BG color is a property of HTML. To change the background. In CSS, we have a property name called background. Background colon green. The background of the page will come in green color. Go next. Let us check now. Should come in green color. Come inside. Write a div tag. Div, div. Using div tag, you can divide the page into multiple blocks. Using the div tag, we can divide the page into multiple blocks. So we'll write here a style equal to height 200 pixel and width 300 pixel. Write that. And then background white. Background as a white. Write one division you write and run it. Okay. Write it, run again. Something like this. Height and width will come. Create one more division. Same division again. Similar division keeper again. Put background as a orange color. Background as a orange color. Save now, check once. Orange color. Create one more division. Same height width. Pink color. Save it. One more block will get created. Pink color. But question is why it is not coming side by side? It is printing in the new line. Correct? There is a lot of space no in the same line. This orange can come here, pink can come here, right? But it is going to the new line. Is going to the new line. Why it is going to the new line? Because division tag is a block level tag. It is not as a inline tag. If inline tag, then it will come in the same line. It is a block level tag. So by default, it will not come in the same line. It will go to the new line. Yes, it will go to the new line. Now we need to find out the solution. How we can convert from block to inline. Multiple options we have. Okay, multiple options we have. So we'll see that what are the options we have and how we can convert from block to inline. Go to the next file. Or first we can write few lines. Height we have written here. How many way of height we have? Width we have written. How many way we can write the width? Background we have written. How many type of background we have? Okay. So we can make a note in developer guide. So hope working for everyone, right? Go ahead. In developer guide, we can write. I'll share it the page 2.js, page 2.html content, because when you are writing first or second, third example, there may be some mistake. Okay, some type of mistake will happen. Comma, single quote, double quote, here, there, problem will be there. So we can come to the CSS developer guide. Okay. Right here, list of property and values. List of property and values. List of property and values. So we can write here and call the height you have written. We will be writing using three methods. We can write using three type. Okay. We will create example for that. Width you have written. We will be writing using the four type. Four way we can apply the width. Okay. Background. You have written. We can write the background using 9 types. 9 way we can set the background. Okay. 9 way we can set the background. We will be creating the example for all and we'll write all the notes also. Now save this and first we'll understand how you can convert from block to inline. Because 3 division we have written and all 3 division are going to the new line, right? Now we need to have some solution. Using that we can convert from the block to inline. We can convert from block to inline. So hope this list we have written. Come to the new file, page3.html. Create next file called page3.html. 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 Take the copy from the page 2, everything. A to Z you copy from page 2 and paste in page 3. Okay. From page 2 copy and paste in page 3. Then after that, in each division, write 1, 2, then 3. Like 1 to 3 you can write. So that we'll come to know which one is which division. Where is the 1, where is the 2, where is the 3. Now go to the first division and use a property called float. F-L-O-T, float colon left. In first division. In second division also write float left. And in third division also write float left. Float, float, float. Write in all 3 division. Float left, float left, float left. Written float left, float left. Now run this file. You will see it's coming side by side. First is the one division, second is second, third is the third. Fitting side by side. So your division was block level tag is converted now from block to inline. Is converted from block to inline. Because of that, it is printing side by side. It is printing side by side. Let's go ahead again. Float left, what is do? It convert the element from block to inline. From block to inline. Earlier where it was printing. Page 2 you see, all are going to the new line. Now float left we have written. So instead of going to the new line, it is coming in the same line. Like it's converted from block to inline. Converted from block to inline. And it is printing from left side. From left to right it is printing. Come again. Write the next property. Instead of float left, remove the left and put here called right. Remove the left and keep here called right. Float right. Remove the float left and keep as a right. Float right. Okay, float right added. Save now. See how it is appearing. It is coming from now where? Right side. Can you see? One is in the right, two is in the middle, and third one is in the left. So when we write float left, it will print from the left side. When we write float right, it will start from right side. Okay. Clear? We'll make a note now. Float left what is do and float right what it do. So come to the developer guide. Clear or not? Float left was printing from left side. Float right is printing from the right side. I'll convert into float left again and just to make you better understand. Left. See now, coming from the left side, float left. When we are given float right, it is printing from the complete from the right side. It is here. Printing from the right side. Okay, come to the developer guide, make a note. Float. Like float, we have many more property. Okay, not only float we have some other property also that will help you to convert from block to inline. Float will do only one work, block to inline. Inline to block it cannot. Float property will not do the inline to block. It will do only block to inline. Okay, it will do only block to inline. Yeah. Now let us see next. We have a property called left. Float left. Right float, what is going to do? Float, it convert from block level element to inline element. It convert from block level element to inline element. It has two value, float colon left and called float colon right. Float left, what it will help? It print from left side. Float right, what it will do? It print from right side. It print from right side. Okay, hope written. It print from the right side and it print from the left side. Come next. Now, whether you print from the left side or print from right side, print from anywhere, that's your requirement. But next question will come. Between white block and orange block, we want to give some space. Between orange block and pink block, we want to give some space. So how to give that space? Correct? How to give that space? Not cell spacing. That was in HTML. In CSS, we have something else. That is called margin. What is called? Margin. Margin we can write using 7 types. 6, 7 types we have. We are going to make a note. Okay. So right. So got idea? What is the next problem? Next problem is we are able to adjust from left side as well as right side. But while adjusting from left and right, if requirement will say between two block, put some space. Between two division, put some space. So how you will keep the space? Which properties exist for that? Right? That's called as a margin. That is called as a margin. So how to give the margin? Right here, what is the margin property? What is margin property? It applies a space it apply a space. It apply a space outside of. It apply a space outside of tags. Outside of tag. It apply a space outside of tag. It apply a space outside of the tag. In that, write the first property example, margin colon auto. Margin colon auto, what it will do? It print the tag in center of present area. Present area. It print the tag in center of present area. It print in center of present area. Now we will create one example for this. Create a file called page4.html. Okay, it print the tag in center of present area. So create the file page4.html. Go next. Page4.html. I hope you have written this notes, right? Margin auto, it print the tag in center of present area. Page 4 you created. Come in that HTML. We'll follow the body tag again. And we'll write here call division margin auto example. Margin auto example. Margin auto. Go for this division. Style equal to height 200 px, width 600 px, or maybe width 400 px, background orange color, and margin first to run without margin. See where it is going. Okay, written. Now check it. Where it is printing? Left side or right side or where? It's printed in the left side of the screen. Complete left side. And complete in the left side. Now you will write here call. So by default, every tag start from the top left only. Write the next property call margin colon auto. Margin colon auto. Then see where it is going. Coming in the middle. See now, it will be called margin auto. That's in the center of the screen. Reduce your window size, increase and decrease. You will find at every size in every condition where it will be in the center of the screen. Whatever the window size you have, no matter, at every time it will be in the center of a screen. That is called margin. That is called margin auto. Okay, go next again. We'll make a note of some more properties, then we'll come back again. Come to the developer guide. Write here next property. Margin 30px. Margin 30px, what it will do? It apply, it's not only 30px, you can write any number. It apply 30px gap from all side. it applies 30 px gap from all side. Right, the next. So what it says, margin 30 px, it applied 30 pixel gap from all side. What all side? Top, left, right, bottom, all the side. Okay. Right, next line. Margin hyphen top 30 px. Margin hyphen top 30 px. It applied 30 pixel gap from which side? Top side. Because it is not necessary every time you need equal space from all side. Sometime you need more space from top, less space from the bottom. Margin hyphen left or margin bottom is the right. It applies 30 pixel gap from bottom side. Margin hyphen left 30 pixel gap from left side. Margin right apply 30 pixel gap from the right side. Okay, so top, bottom, left, right. Then margin auto and margin only 30 px. 30 px is like equal gap from all side. Margin auto will come in the center. Margin top, margin bottom, margin right, margin left. So save this file and then come back again to the written. Come now, go to the same file, page 4 only. Inside the page 4, write one more division below. style equal to height, style equal to height. Let's keep 200 px, width 300 px, margin gap from all side 30 px, and background red or background is a green, and float as a left. So what you have added till now, I added all. Height, width, margin, background, and float left. Okay, hope ready. Check now. One division is coming. Green color, 200 by 300. Left side. 200 by 300. One division will appear. Okay, so come next. Same division you copy and paste again. Green only. Let it be green only. You will find between both the block, you will have a gap of 30 and 30. Between two blocks, you will have a sufficient space. Hope ready? Check now. Coming. Two green, one after other. Something like this. Between two blocks, there is a 60 pixel gap. 30 pixel of one division and 30 pixel of second division. Total is a 60 px. Go next. Same division copy and paste 3-4 times. See, because of inline CSS code is looking garbage, but nothing to worry. We are just understanding and learning. CSS code will not be like that. Inline look like this. Internal, external will be better. Okay, in that you are understanding. Okay, height I have written, how I have written, width I have written, how you have written. Copy paste same division 3-4 times. Copy added, save the file, check again. Something like this. If you minimize little, make restore the window, block will shift automatically. See, block is shifting automatically. Big screen, 3 in one line. Little medium screen, 2 will be in one line. Correct? Little bigger, 3, very big. Something like this, 4. So the float is helping in this, as well as margin is helping, height, width, background, all properties are helping, okay, to get the proper space. Come to the again developer guide. Working for all or anyone have error? Okay, come now to the developer guide. In developer guide, we'll make a note again. We have next property called padding. Padding. What is the use of the padding? It apply a space inside tag. You remember cell padding? Yes. That space was coming inside. So that will happen through the padding property now. That will happen through the padding property. Now right inside, it has a property called padding 30px. This also will give a space 30 pixel from all side. All side gap 30px. Padding hyphen top. What it will do? 30px only from top side. Top side. Left. 30 pixel only from left side. Right. Only from right side. Bottom. only from this will implement tomorrow. Padding and many more are there. Okay, ready? See you tomorrow again. I'll send you the class video link. You can have a look in some time.